we have a programmable back gauge, which right now we're at 20 inches distance from blade to the stop.
Mm-hmm.
If we want to program 30 inches in,
Okay.
and we just move it back.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got that. Our blade, we can move up and down. We can also angle it up to 45 degrees. And then back to 0. You can stop anywhere in between. We have 3 speeds, which is controlled by a belt, 3,000, 4,000,
That's
and
what you say.
5,000.
Then you change it underneath.
You change it underneath.
Okay.
And we have 2 blades. We have a main blade,
Okay.
and we have a scoring blade.
Okay.
And stand back, I'll turn them both on.
There's the main blade.
Scoring blade comes up. Run it with the scoring blade or without.
Okay.
And we have a cover,
Mm-hmm.
which lifts up, pulls over, drops down. You have a push lead. And it has a tube for the dust collector, which we don't have.
Okay. No dust collector with it. And then show the table in and out and how smooth it runs.
Table in and out.
Yeah, how smooth it is. So it's a manual in and out. You just shove it.
Manual, once you start it.
Okay.
And then you have the arm that comes out.
Okay, we got the support arm. Mm-hmm. Don't have as much space here.
Comes out, and then you got the arm that goes on top
Okay.
for doing 4x8 panels.
$220 volts.
Correct. 3-phase.
All right.